I suppose the only cons would be an inferior asphalt shingle. So there's lots of manufacturers out there that make roofing shingles, and if I'm going to pick an asphalt shingle, I'm going to probably suggest that you pick one from one of the top 1, 2, or 3 shingle manufacturers out there that are time tested and they're proven, and they have a great reputation for producing good products. For an architectural system, that would probably be like a GAF or a Certainteed or Owens Corning makes a fabulous architectural shingle. There's other companies out there that produce them, and they may or may not have a lifetime warranty on them. I would say that would be one key. If it doesn't have a lifetime warranty on it, it's probably not an asphalt shingle you want to use. But then warranties come in all shapes and sizes too, so lifetime means a type of coverage for one that's very different from the other, and that's getting into the weeds a little bit, but that's a lot of legal jargon to read through to really understand the quality of the shingle that the manufacturer, is saying that they have. If there's not a lot of coverage in it, then the manufacturer knows it's probably not going to last, and so you can find those details. I don't know, the advantages are that you can get a good lifetime system. You can find manufacturers that produce asphalt systems now. Manufacturing processes have come a long way. They can do more with an asphalt shingle now than they did in the past. It was always about weight and thickness, and now with the manufacturing processes they have, and the nail strips, for example, that Owens Corning will put in theirs, makes that much more difficult for the shingle to ever even come off, and they last a lot longer. And so you can get a true 50-year non-prorated type warranted system. You have to use what's probably more important is the contractor that you choose. Do they have a relationship with that manufacturer? And do they have the top tier relationship with that manufacturer? For example, we're Owens Corning Platinum preferred, and there's 1 to 2% of the roofing contractors nationwide are even in that club or have that status, which allows us, they know that we're going to do good work, and we're going to put on a platinum system every time, whether you're buying the platinum warranty or not. We're still going to do them the right way every time. So we're blessed to have that relationship with Owens Corning, but it allows us the ability to warranty your roof for till you die practically. It's 40-50 year warranty. It covers the material and the labor. If there's ever a problem 40 years from now, your $20,000 roof might cost 80, but with that type of coverage, it's all covered. And that's a lot of peace of mind for people. That's advantage in the contractor that you choose. Even if, God forbid, we went out of business, you have Owens Corning backing the roof system that we've installed. Because of that relationship, they'll find another platinum preferred contractor to fix it if there's a problem, and God forbid we're not around anymore. So it really is an advantage.